Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge browser for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So in order to do this, open up your Google Play Store. Here find Microsoft Edge app. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, you can sign in to turn on synchronization, sign in later. You can set up for data sharing preferences, so accept or not. And from here, we can start using the browser. Let's go for this website, for example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.